start?
No, you can start.
She really, like, honestly didn't talk. Like, she would be quiet, like, she was very introverted.
People think like it's only in the outside, something that you can actually see. For me, it was more in the inside.
It's a feeling you can't really describe until you've lost that feeling and regained it.
I am a lot happier with myself.
Everything improved, and it just opened up a whole new world for me.
This is what's going to change my life, and it's just been an emotional journey.
I always second guess myself. Should I do it or should I not?
When I was presenting solutions to my clients, there was this shyness about the information that I was giving to them. They were not trusting me.
It was hard to talk to certain kids, but now it's like, hey, how's it going?
I felt like I could conquer things that I maybe couldn't have conquered before, and it was just a great feeling.
I was at an anniversary party a while ago, and a distant relative said to me, "What's the matter with you? You're always smiling."
I've definitely noticed, especially in photos, how different she takes them. If you look back, she'll always be like, duck face, but now she'll smile in photos. She just looks so much happier.
When you feel confident, that kind of takes the weight off your shoulders, and you can go and you can have fun with others, and you can make them feel better about themselves too.
That self-confidence kind of starts a lifestyle of health and happiness and maintaining that health and happiness.
I think once you get over something or once you move forward in your life, you don't necessarily think of where you were until you look back at that picture and you're like, wow, I was barely smiling, or I don't look like I was fully present, and now I feel like I am more present.
I feel like I can be myself, I can talk to who I want to talk to, I can go on that date with that girl, anything that I really feel I have the confidence to do.
It felt very empowering. I don't know if I can say that my smile got bigger, but my smile got bigger.
There aren't even words to describe it.
People tell me I brighten up the room, and I like that.
I talk more, I smile more, I raise my hand in class more.
If I feel good, like it's all good. I don't really mind what other people think about me, and that's what I try to teach you, Leah. Like, the most important thing is how you feel about yourself.
If I look across the room and, you know, I'm checking out a hot guy and I'm like, hey, and I feel like I can do that.
I'm taking selfies all the time now. All the time.
You have every right to feel as good about yourself and to look as beautiful as you possibly can.
It's fantastic. It really is. The confidence that you gain from it, it really can open many, many doors that you never thought that you could open before.
Not bad for 75.
I was able to come out of my shell.
I see someone who's beautiful.
I'm not afraid to stand out. I can take on the world.
I am more present.
I got my smile back.
I have confidence.
I have confidence.
Because of Invisalign.
Because of Invisalign.
We did it!
Put your arm around me.
Everyone knows that straight teeth give you a beautiful smile. Did you know that straighter teeth can also affect your overall health? Crooked or misaligned teeth, also known as malocclusion, affects 74% of American adults. Left untreated, crooked teeth can lead to periodontal disease and create abnormal amounts of stress on teeth and jaws, which can lead to premature wear. The effects of crooked teeth can worsen over time and may adversely affect your overall health. Common types of misalignment include crowding, spacing, deep bite, open bite, crossbite, edge-to-edge bite, and excessive overjet. Crooked teeth can affect your bite, creating unnatural stress and pressure, leading to premature wear. Teeth that are subject to excessive pressure can develop chipping and notches at the gum line. Over time, the excessive force may also cause flattened or worn down teeth, or chipping and fractures at the edges of teeth. Additionally, a bad bite may produce improper forces on the jaw joint that may lead to pain in the jaw, earache, and even headaches. Premature wear can lead to gum recession, poor bone support at the roots, loose teeth, and eventually, tooth loss. Teeth that fit together correctly last longer and are likely to need less costly dentistry in the future. Crooked teeth can affect your periodontal health because it's difficult to remove plaque and bacteria from the crowded areas. Bacteria that is not properly removed will multiply and trigger periodontal disease, which begins as gum inflammation, redness, and bleeding while brushing and flossing. If left untreated, over time, gum inflammation will progress to chronic infection, soft tissue damage, receding gums, periodontal pockets, bone loss, and eventually tooth loss. These conditions can lead to painful repair and maintenance in the future, which could amount to thousands of dollars in expense and countless hours in the dentist's chair. Problems in the oral cavity are best treated in the early stages. Crooked teeth that are left untreated can trap bacteria that damage gum tissue cells and invade blood vessels. This can cause damage to cells that line your coronary arteries, increasing your risk for heart disease, stroke, and other illness. Correctly positioning your teeth for proper alignment and function will help prevent future dental problems and make a significant difference toward a healthy mouth and keeping your teeth for life. Ask your doctor and hygienist today about Invisalign, a series of clear aligners that are custom-made to gradually move and align your teeth. And start on the road to a healthier you today.
A great smile can mean so much. It can create confidence inside and out. It can make memories extra special and help you win your dream job. Imagine if you could achieve your confident smile without the embarrassment and inconvenience of metal braces. With Invisalign, you can. Invisalign uses a series of comfortable, virtually invisible aligners to straighten your teeth and help you get the smile you've always wanted.
Before I started using the Invisalign treatment, I felt really self-conscious. I felt like people were staring at my teeth all the time and just made me really uncomfortable.
Using the traditional method of braces was never an option. I would have found that far too embarrassing to wear because they were so visible to other people. For me, Invisalign was the best choice.
Confident that your treatment is almost invisible.
The reason people have orthodontic treatment of the clear braces is that it changes their life in some way. It makes them smile with more confidence, and therefore it somehow enhances their personal life and their professional life.
When we look at the treatment options, we find that Invisalign really helps tick all the boxes. We can look at trying to correct their issues, we can look at trying to straighten their teeth and straighten their smile in a way that no one else is really going to know.
Confident that your treatment will be comfortable.
The best thing about Invisalign is that it doesn't interfere with my daily life, and nobody realises that I'm wearing the aligners every day, all day.
I didn't feel that Invisalign aligners stopped me doing anything that I wanted to or had very minimal impact. You have to take them out obviously to eat. Even that I didn't feel was a big issue. So for me it didn't limit me in anything that I wanted to do in my daily life.
Invisalign works in several steps. 1. Your doctor approves the stages of treatment. 2. Invisalign uses a patented manufacturing process to construct a series of clear aligners, customized for you. 3. You wear the aligners 24 hours a day, except to eat, brush and floss.
I could still eat and drink exactly what I wanted to. I just took my aligners out and put them back in again.
4. Just swap to a new stage every 2 weeks. 5. And see your doctor every 4 to 6 weeks. The average treatment time is 9 to 18 months.
Invisalign has completely improved my confidence. I think the small changes to my teeth have made me smile a lot more and feel far more confident.
Would you love to have straighter teeth but can't see yourself wearing braces? An option to consider is clear orthodontic aligners. Clear aligners are a remarkable way to improve your smile. They're actually clear plastic trays, so they're nearly invisible. This appeals to many adults who prefer a more discreet form of orthodontic treatment to feel at ease in professional and social situations. Some teenagers, too, would rather wear less obvious orthodontic appliances as they develop a positive self-image. Clear aligners can correct crowded or crooked teeth, a very common problem, gaps and spaces between teeth, open bites where the upper and lower teeth do not come together, and cross bites, to name a few orthodontic problems. So how can such a thin, removable tray get the job done? Believe it or not, the same way as traditional braces, by applying carefully controlled, gentle forces to the teeth. Here's how it works. The first step is for your dentist to evaluate whether clear aligners are right for you. If they are, x-rays and impressions are taken, and an individualized plan designed by your dentist is sent to a specialized lab. They will make the trays that will gradually move your teeth into proper position. Once you receive the trays from your dentist, you will wear the first one for at least 20 hours per day for 2 weeks, removing them only at meal times and when you brush and floss your teeth. Then it's time to progress to the next tray to accomplish the next gradual movement, and so on, until the desired result is obtained. Total treatment time will generally range from 6 to 24 months. At this point, your dentist will fit you with a retainer, just as you would wear after any other type of orthodontic treatment. Are clear aligners comfortable? They may take some getting used to, but you will adapt quickly. There are some situations in which traditional braces may still be the best way to go. It depends on your individual situation. As with any orthodontic treatment, maintaining good oral hygiene is important. Are clear aligners right for you? Schedule an appointment to find out.
Achieving predictable tooth movement has always been a primary goal of orthodontics. Evolution in materials has opened up numerous possibilities in improving orthodontic treatment. When nickel titanium wire was introduced, it enabled doctors to achieve more predictable outcomes through the application of gentle and constant force. Invisalign now introduces SmartTrack aligner material, a new, highly elastic material that delivers gentle, more constant forces to improve control of tooth movement. Doctors treated more than 1,000 patients with Invisalign aligners made with SmartTrack material. A study of patients treated with Invisalign using SmartTrack material showed significantly improved control of tooth movements, such as rotation and extrusion. 5 months into treatment, the number of patients tracking to plan demonstrated a significant improvement, statistically significant at greater than 99.9% confidence level. SmartTrack material delivers more constant force, returns more closely to the programmed shape, and improves aligner fit for better control of tooth movement. Standard aligner material loses energy over time in the oral environment due to temperature and moisture. Bench testing shows highly elastic SmartTrack material delivers gentle, more constant force over the 2-week aligner wear period for improved tracking. When the aligner is stretched to fit over dentition, highly elastic SmartTrack material returns more closely to the programmed aligner shape to improve tracking to the ClinCheck treatment plan. This flexible material conforms more precisely to tooth morphology, active surface of attachments, and interproximal spaces, providing improved control of tooth movement and finishing. In blue gel tests, white areas indicate contact, while blue areas indicate a gap. The SmartTrack material demonstrates superior thermoforming, particularly in interproximal and attachment areas. SmartTrack aligner material becomes the standard material for all new Invisalign treatments. Patients treated with Invisalign made with SmartTrack found that their aligners are more comfortable to wear and easier to insert and remove while having the same clarity and aesthetics as previous aligner material. Aligners made with SmartTrack significantly improved control of tooth movements and require no changes to your current clinical protocols. They are fully compatible with SmartForce features, clinical protocols, and auxiliaries, such as precision cuts and elastics. Invisalign aligners made with SmartTrack material represent the latest innovation to significantly improve control of tooth movements, helping you deliver the results you and your patients expect.